Hey guys, I'm in the market for a mid-size 3-row SUV and today we're gonna test drive 2020 Acura MDX Sport Hybrid. This is definitely a good looking car and the hybrids are really hard to find now. There is reason why Acura markets them as sport hybrid instead of regular hybrid. When you think of hybrid, you think of a loud 4-cylinder engine, but this one is V6 and with a combined horsepower of more than 320. It drives and behaves more like gas, and the hybrid power kicks in when you need the most. The hybrid power is most noticeable when you are driving in highway speeds. It effortlessly glides, and with a slight press of the gas, you feel the extra power. The transition is so smooth you hardly notice it. Unless someone says it's hybrid, you won't feel it. It also has the active damper system, which is an option for a gas model. And with that active damper system, the ride is more comfortable than the gas one, and you feel it immediately if you drive back to back. But after 5 minutes, you don't really notice it. Here are a few things I wish this one had. There is no heads-up display. The center console is very dated. I actually like the 2-screen setup instead of one big screen because I can dedicate the top one just for maps and the other hybrid information, and the bottom one can be your climate control and radio and so on. But the issue is the screens are so low resolution and it looks like a couple of generations old. Nowadays our phones and tablets have a better screen than this. Another annoyance is the top is not a touchscreen, but the bottom one is, and the wheel only controls the top. It's a moot point anyway because the 2022 MDX is rolling now and it's completely redesigned and it has very nice high resolution screens. One more thing, it does not come with a spare tire. As of this recording, there are plenty of gas versions available in the market, but the hybrids are very hard to get, and obviously dealers want a premium for it. Your best bet if you're looking for a hybrid is probably a CPO or look for a used market. If you like a SUV with a usable third row seat and plenty of power in the hood, smooth, comfortable ride, then you should definitely check out this MDX hybrid. Now that 2022 MDX are in the market, your best bet if you want to save money is 2020 MDX gas. You can get a minimum of 5,500 off from the MSRP if you finance with Acura at standard interest rates. I think it starts around 3%. Then if you qualify for loyalty or conquest, then you get another 1,500 off. With more 2022 coming in, dealers need to get rid of the 2020 MDX, and you can probably get a good deal if you shop for the 20 MDX now. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.